Ready, start. Wife of the appellant has filed an affidavit before this court stating that she is dependent upon the appellant and wishes to lead a happy, normal, and peaceful life with him and the child born in their bedlock. During the course of hearing, a prayer was made to invoke the powers of this court under Article 142 of the Constitution of India for quashing the conviction and sentence in order to avoid disruption of the matrimonial harmony between the parties. We considered it appropriate to first hear the complainant, being the father of the victim. He has appeared before us today through the virtual mode. Answering our query, he has stated in Tamil that he has no objection to the criminal proceedings being brought to an end. The only question which remains to be decided is whether the proceedings should be quashed in the present case, considering that the appellant is convicted of a heinous offense. We are conscious of the fact that a crime is not merely a wrong against an individual but against society as a whole. When an offense is committed, it wounds the collective conscience of the society, and therefore the society, acting through its elected lawmakers, determines what would be the punishment for such an offense and how an offender should be dealt with to deter its recurrence. The criminal law is thus a manifestation of the sovereign will of the society. However, the administration of such law is not divorced from the practical realities. Rendering justice demands a nuanced approach. This court tailors its decisions to the specifics of each case with firmness and severity wherever necessary, and it is merciful when warranted. It is also in the best interest of society to bring a dispute to an end wherever possible. We draw inspiration to hold that the law aims to ensure not just punishment of the guilty but also harmony and restoration of the social order. With such perspective in mind, we need to proceed to balance the competing interests of justice, deterrence, and rehabilitation. The founding fathers of the Constitution conferred this court with the extraordinary power to do double inverted comma complete justice double inverted comma close in proper cases. This constitutional power stands apart from all other powers and is intended to avoid situations of injustice being caused by the rigid application of law. Per the law made by the legislature, the appellant having been found guilty of a heinous offense, the proceedings in the present case on the basis of a compromise between the appellant and his wife cannot be quashed. But ignoring the cry of the appellant's wife for compassion and empathy will not, in our opinion, serve the ends of justice. Even the most serious offenders of law do receive justice moderated by compassion from the courts, albeit in appropriate cases. Given the peculiar facts and circumstances here, a balanced approach combining practicality and empathy is necessary. The appellant and the victim are not only legally married, they are also in their family way.